Hey, what's up? It's John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com, and I have a question about job choices, corporate versus ... And we'll talk about what ... is in a minute. But before I do want to take a moment to thank our wonderful, lovely, beautiful sponsor, which is Hire.com. And if you haven't checked them out already, go check them out. Go to Hire.com/SimpleProgrammer and make sure you use that link, because if you do, you'll get a double sign-on bonus. So instead of them paying you $1,000 to find you a job, they'll pay you $2,000 to find you a job. That's pretty cool. No, it's not like they just quote find you a job, but you go to Hire.com/SimpleProgrammer, you fill out an application, and they basically, there's some filtering, right? You can't just be an idiot. You gotta be smart, but so many of you that are watching this channel, you'll see a good opportunity here. And they serve certain markets, so be aware of that. But if you meet the requirements, then companies will start looking for you. They will see your profile on Hire.com and they will contact you and give you offers. That's a much better place than the normal thing where you send out a bunch of resumes on Monster.com. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, I tell you not to do that, so don't do that. But do check out Hire.com. Even if you're not looking for a job, go check it out, go fill out the application and see what happens. See what it's like to see what the job searching of the future is. I think you'll be interested by it anyway. But do make sure you use the link Hire.com/SimpleProgrammer. Now let's get into this interesting email, shall we? All right, so hi John, not sure if you'll get a chance to answer this question. Oh, I will. Had a situation presented to me career-wise. I have a potential opportunity to go work someplace that is an hour away. Let's call this job A. Okay, we'll call it job A. Versus staying at a job that is 30 minutes away, job B. Clever job names. Job A is for a larger company, $15K more in salary and more corporate. Potential for advancement is greater. All windows shop, less freedom and much more oversight. Job B is at an academic institution, more laid back and much more freedom to do anything, like grow a beard. I added that part. Anyway, equally mixed Linux/Windows environment. Job A presents a potential opportunity to dig into development work and directly support full-time programmers, while job B, I need to invent my own programming project just to have a chance to do programming. Of course, I do my own personal project at home, but nothing forces you to learn like a job. What are some other factors I should consider, and would working for corporate versus working at a job that has lower oversight, more freedom to choose direction, be beneficial to my career long-term? Adam. This is a very insightful question, Adam, and I will try and give you an insightful answer if I can. So I think it depends on what you want to do long-term and what kind of person you are and how self-motivated you are. If you're an extremely self-motivated person, job B is the way to go. Create your own programming project. Start building your whole empire at this company. Work on what you want to work on, right? Work hard. If you're self-motivated and you're going to work hard and you're going to come up with programming projects and they're going to be awesome, this is the place to go for you. It doesn't matter that you're making $15K less salary, because you're getting an opportunity. Especially if you want to be an entrepreneur, this is your chance. You can build something there. You might even, if you're entrepreneurial minded, be able to build a program at this new company and work out some kind of profit sharing with the owner and build a product line or something like that. Like, this could be really, really good if you're self-motivated. Now, if you're not self-motivated, obviously choose job A, because that's a corporate job. They're going to make sure that they're going to tell you what to do. They're going to make sure that you're doing your job. You're going to get more salary, right? There's, like you said, potential for advancement is greater. You just have to follow the path and climb up those rungs of the ladder, and that's an all Windows shop. I don't know if that matters in this case, but they might not let you grow a beard. So anyway, that's how that can matter. The Linux shop, they'll definitely let you grow a beard. So that's the other factor that I would really strongly consider, whether if you want to do that or not. But no, in all seriousness, it really depends on you, right? I'd say that it doesn't. It's not like one of these is better or the other is better. It depends on you, right? If you really want the shot, if your dream is 15 years from now, you want to be up there as a senior fellow at some corporation that you want to work for 15 years, Job A. Job A's got that. You got a little bit longer, half an hour more commute. It's not that much longer, you know. Maybe you can listen to some audiobooks on leadership, some John Maxwell you can put in there while you're climbing the corporate ladder. It'll be awesome, right? Some Sigma 6 stuff in there. And no, you know, I'm just playing, but yeah, so that's one option. And then, like I said, if you're self-starter though, if you're motivated, if you're self-motivated, if you're entrepreneurial minded, then go with option B. And don't forget option C, D, E, and F, right? These are not your only 2 options. Go and apply for some other jobs. If you think that if you're having a tough time making a choice, figure out is there another job? Right? Is there something that would actually combine the best of both? Maybe it's out there, and maybe you should go and look at that. Don't just confine yourself to these 2 potential options, right? So honestly, I don't think that you can go wrong long term. It's go with your gut, right? And like I said, you know, just take into consideration what I said there, and work hard. Whatever you do, like the only way you can go wrong here is if you keep with job B and you slack off. Or, I mean, you could do the same thing at job A. Like, work your butt off. Do your work and get, you know. But I would say one other thing. If you think that you're absolutely not going to be able to get to do programming at job B, and you're just going to have to do personal projects at home, don't do job B. Just do job A. Because if you want to be a career developer, right? If you feel like you're going to have to fight for the projects, then that puts a lot in the favor of job A. Anyway. You'll have to make the decision, you have to make the call. And the good thing is if you make the wrong call, you know, after like 6 months or a year, and you realize that it's the wrong call, then switch it up, right? You can make mistakes, it's all right. Like, it's not like some people, they're like, get so damn serious about stuff, like as if it's a life or death choice, right? It's not. You know, you're going to learn something. As long as you're working hard, as long as you're trying to grow and trying to improve and develop, you're going to, right? If you're being lazy ass, you know what I mean. I got it here. If you're being lazy ass, I got a playlist on being lazy ass. Stop being lazy ass. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. If you like this video, I have a request for you, which is to click the subscribe button below, wherever that appears, and you'll get my videos. I do like, let's be honest here, I do like 2 to 3 videos a day. I got no life. That's what I do. Anyway, I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to check out hire.com. See ya.